All you need to film your videos is just your phone. Hey Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you are new here, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. So my today's shout out goes to the above Tovians.
Hey Tovians, thank you for your support, thank you for your love, thank you for commenting on my videos. Guys, please go check out their YouTube channel and support them and subscribe to them. Thank you once again. I love you all.
If you want to get a shout out from me, what you need to do is to be one of the first 5 people to comment on this video right now, and then you will get a shout out from me on my next video. So on today's video, I am finally going to be answering all of your questions. A lot of you have been asking me what I use to film my YouTube videos, the camera I use, the equipment I use in general, and even the lighting I use in filming my YouTube videos. So I've decided to put this video together to show you guys all of the equipment I use to film my YouTube videos, and at the same time how I record my YouTube videos. So if you want to know all of this, keep on watching these videos and make sure you watch this video to the very end, and do subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, because it will mean a lot to me. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me other type of videos you would like to see on this video. Without further talk, I'm just going to get right into this video right now. So the first equipment that I use in filming my YouTube videos is my phone. Guys, I do not use any fancy camera. Even this video that I'm filming right now, I do not use any fancy camera to film it. I basically just use my phone, and the phone I use is my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which was bought to me by my boyfriend, if you want to know. I do not use any camera to film my videos. I just use my phone direct, and then I just put it up there and then start recording my videos. So I used to use my Samsung Galaxy J5 2016. This very phone was what I was using at the beginning of all my videos. So before this year, I changed the phone to my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So that's what I've been using to film all my videos this year. So but this very phone was what I was using before. So with this one, you can still get a very good high quality, guys. You don't need any fancy thing to just shoot. All you need is your phone to shoot, and you still get that perfect quality. Like I used to use one before, and it has a very good quality, but the problem was it doesn't really have enough storage. So you can use either your Android phone or your iPhone, and everything will still be perfect. So I've used both of them. I've used an Android phone, and I'm using my iPhone to film this very video. So you do not need any fancy camera to film your videos. All you need is just your phone, and you are good to go. So the second equipment that I use in filming my videos to give me this beautiful quality that I have right now aside my iPhone is a ring light. So I used to use natural lighting, and I still use natural lighting a lot of times. So once I don't want to film with my ring light, I just use my natural lighting. I sit close to my window, which I'm going to be showing you guys right now. So guys, I just wanted to show you guys how it look outside my window without my ring light. This is me in my room on my window, showing you guys how the lighting look. You see how good this lighting also looks. So if you have natural lighting like this, I'm just going to show you guys my window. If you're natural lighting like a big window like this, and you could get the natural light fit close to your face, then you are definitely good to go. You just need good lighting, and then you are good to go. So now this is the difference between natural lighting and the ring light. So leave me a comment telling me which one is your guys' favorite. Is this beautiful natural lighting or the ring light from the other room? So we're gonna go back there and then continue this video. So I can see close to my window, just allow the sunlight to just do its work. The problem with natural lighting, although it is the best, you cannot film on late hour if you're using your natural lighting. You need a ring light if you need to film maybe at late hour when the sun has gone down and all of that. And so you can definitely need a ring light. So the ring light I'm using is this newer 18 LED ring light. So that's the very one I'm using right now to film this video. I got it, I think, earlier this year, and I actually have an unboxing video on it, on the review. So I'll just leave the link on the iCard so you guys can go see it. And if you want to get it, I'll leave the link below so you can go get it on Amazon. So that is basically the 2 things I use in making my YouTube videos. I do not use any microphone, so every other thing that has to do with my voice, if it's loud or low, so I just use the editing app that I'm using to actually adjust my voice to make it that loud or low. So that is done with my editing app. Outside that, I do not use any microphone. Like I've said, the only thing I use is just my iPhone and my ring light, and the ring light actually comes with a tripod which is stuck with the ring light that you can actually use. So basically that is all I use. I do not have any other fancy equipment that I use in making my video. So just to say, if you have your phone and if you want a ring light, then you are good to go. And feel free to go get any tripod on Amazon or anywhere to actually assist you in holding your phone. But if you do not have any of that, there are many ways you could stack your phone together. So that is all with the equipment that I use in filming my YouTube videos to get this beautiful quality you guys are seeing right now. So aside the equipment that I use in filming my YouTube videos, there are other things I do to make sure this video comes out in this beautiful quality that you guys are seeing right now. And that's why I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually record my videos. Outside showing you guys the two equipment that I basically use, now I'm going to show you guys how I record my YouTube videos. So if you want to know, keep on watching this video. So the first thing you want to make sure that you have in order to have the best quality once you're filming your videos is to make sure you have enough storage. If you want to record your videos, make sure that you have enough storage on your phone. You don't want to start recording and then you end up with that annoying message that your storage is full. That will be really embarrassing, and aside that, it will even cut off that action or that mood you were in shooting this video. So you want to make sure that you have enough storage on your phone. Like this, my iPhone, I'm not really bothered about the storage because I actually have 256 gig. And aside that, you cannot believe that all the videos I've been making like since this year, I still have everything, even the ones that I'm not supposed to be having. I'm yet to delete all of them because I really have enough storage. But with that being said, you want to make sure you have enough storage. Delete anything you need to delete to make sure your storage is enough to take your videos, to carry all the videos you're going to be filming, because obviously you're going to have a lot of errors on your videos and then later you're going to take them all away. So the second thing you want to make sure you want to do to have very good video quality once you're recording your video is to make sure that you film in horizontal. Guys, you don't want to film in portrait mode. Never. You do not film YouTube videos on portrait mode. You always film in horizontal. You want to make sure your video is horizontal. I have seen a lot of small YouTubers like me videos on YouTube having this portrait mode, having all of this thing, and then you end up with those two bars, those two black bars by the corner. That is really not right. You don't want to film your video like that. It is not a good quality. It is not professional. It is not right for a YouTube video. People will click off your video once they discover you're filming portrait mode instead of horizontal. So you want to make sure you're filming all your YouTube videos in horizontal mode if you want to have good quality. Okay, it is understandable if maybe you're exporting another video to your YouTube video, that you're showing an example of something, or you're screen recording your video. That is very much understandable. But once you are filming, like you're teaching people like what I'm doing, like I'm talking with you guys right now, you don't want to have your videos like this and then have those two black bars by the side. It is distracting, absolutely distracting, and it is not professional. It doesn't look good. So you want to make sure you're filming in horizontal, and not portrait mode. No, portrait mode. That is really not good. That is really not professional. I've seen a lot of you doing that. Do not film like this. Film like this. Even if it's cutting some part of your dresses, nobody cares. Film like this and not like this. Not like this. Okay, so the third thing you want to make sure you do in order to have good video quality is to make sure that you're filming in a quiet place with good lighting. Just imagine that I'm talking with you guys right now and there's so many distractions on my background, like people are walking about or there's noise. Obviously you can get a little bit of noise because this is health, man. We're in the world, there's noise every time, cars playing, everything is just there. But that being said, you want to make sure you're filming in a very quiet place with good lighting. Lighting plays a very big role once it comes to you having very good video quality on your video. That is why I have this ring light. I used to use my sunlight and I still do that a lot sometimes, but you want to make sure you have very good lighting. You are filming in a place where the light is coming to you and not somewhere else. So the fourth thing, this one actually goes with the third thing as well, is to have a good setup. So you don't want to be vlogging your video when you're not supposed to be calling it a vlog. For example, I'm holding my phone like this and I'm talking with you guys and then the phone is shaking and the phone is moving, and I didn't say that was a vlog. No, you don't want to do that. If it is a vlog, then it is understandable. People want to talk, okay, this is a vlog and that is what they are to expect. But if the video is not a vlog, you don't want to hold your phone and then be talking with us. You want to have a good setup. You don't need a tripod every time. You could even stack up your books together to actually get a good setup. I'm just going to show you guys my own setup on how I film my videos. So guys, this is how I actually set up my phone to use in recording. So I just put the phone on the ring light and then I start filming. So this is basically my setup. This is me. This is a mirror in my phone which I'm using to show you guys my setup. Now the fifth thing and a very important one is you want to clean your lens. Clean your lens, guys. You want to definitely clean your lens. I have seen a lot of you have this blurry or this thing like a dirt on your camera because you've not cleaned your lens. You have been using this phone all throughout the day. Yesterday, today, you have been using it. You've been putting it on your face to receive your call or anything. You want to clean both the back and the front of your lens. You want to clean it. Take a little cloth, just clean it. Clean all over the phone. Just clean everything because it is very important that you clean your lens. This might sound basic, but guys, it means a lot. Clean your lens. So it is very, very important if you want to have good quality. I always do that anytime I want to start filming. I do that even when I'm not filming. I always clean my lens, but you want to make sure you do that. If not, you're going to have those dirt on your video and you don't want that. So the sixth thing you want to do in order to have a very good video quality is to film with your back camera. Now this very one, it is debatable. Okay, a lot of people will say film with your front camera, a lot of people will say film with your back camera. For me, I use both of them depending on what I'm filming and what that video is about. If it's a video that I'm going to be showing you guys something, for example moving my phone and be doing this and be showing you guys, I prefer to be seeing myself in a way, and obviously you want to use your back camera in general, but it is debatable and depending on what you're doing. But the most important thing is you want to look straight into your camera. Even if you're using your back or your front camera, the thing is look straight into your camera, look straight into those lens. So guys, this is why you want to look into your lens, because it is more professional and it just say a lot about your video. So right now I am looking into my lens, which means I'm looking direct into yours. So I can read what you're saying right now. You are connecting more with me if I am looking at my lens. It's as if I'm seeing the person at the other side of this video. You're connecting more with me. Now this is the difference if I'm not looking into my lens. Now this is me looking at my screen and I'm talking to you just looking at my screen. Now you could definitely feel the difference as if I'm talking with myself because I'm just relating with myself. But when I look into my lens, you could feel it more. You could feel that presence, that somebody is talking with you, that somebody is relating with you and you're relating back. You understand what I mean? So that's why you don't want to be looking at your camera screen. You don't want to be looking at yourself because it is so distracting. And this is why lots of people use their back camera, because the front camera could be so distracting for you to look at yourself. But rather if you're using your back camera, you're looking at the lens because there's no way you could be seeing yourself. But when you're looking at the front camera, it is hard. So if you don't notice the difference, I'm just going to stop and show you guys. Now this is me looking at my front camera. This is me looking at myself because I'm using the front camera, but this is me looking at my lens. Give this video a thumbs up if you've not yet, and then subscribe. I love you all. So once you've done all that 6 things I've mentioned, the 7th thing is time to record. You want to record your videos. Guys, I'm going to show you the best thing in recording your videos, what a lot of you don't know yet, and maybe some of you already know it, but you're not using it or you're not putting it into practice. So I'm just going to show you guys how to properly record your videos and the things you need to make sure that you are taking note of in order to record your videos and have good quality. So guys, I just want to show you guys how to successfully record your videos. So I don't know about Android, but this basically, I think this only applies for iPhones because my old Android wasn't doing this, so I don't really know about other Android. But I don't know, if your Android does this, then it is perfect. So the first thing you want to make sure you do is to make sure that you lock up your lighting. For example, I am okay with this very light that my phone is showing right now. Then the next thing I want to do is to double tap on the screen. So sorry, I'm going to be looking at my screen right now because I need to show you guys what I'm explaining. So you want to double tap on your screen, and then this bracket is going to come up with a light. So the next thing you want to do once you have this bracket is to click on that light. So you could either take this light up or down. So if you take it and you just me and become darker, if I take it just me, I'm going to become very light. So you can choose however you want it. Then once you're okay with it, you want to double tap on it and make sure that thing comes up AEAF lock. So what does this actually do? For example, if I move here right now, you see the lighting is not changing. Even if I go back, I come closer, the lighting doesn't change. That is because I have already locked up the lighting of this particular screen. So if you don't do that, if you move like this, your camera is going to change. I'm just going to show you guys an example. So I'm going to off lock it right now. Now if I go like this, you see it's as if on my screen my body is just changing different colors. You see how those shadows and everything over there is moving? That is because I've not locked it up. So this is even better because I'm having a ring light. Now for example, you're using the sun, you know how the sun goes up and down, sometimes it's bright and it's darker. So once you're using the sunlight or the natural lighting, you want to make sure you lock up your AEAF lock. This is very important, otherwise you are not going to have one lighting, you're going to have a lighting of this color, of that color. So make sure you lock it up, and remember how to do. You want to double tap on your screen, and then once this comes up and you want to change anything, like take it up or take it and go ahead and do. If you don't want to do any of that, just leave it as it is locked, and that's you perfectly done. That is how to successfully record your video, and that's what I normally do. I always lock up my, so if I move this way, the lighting is not changing. If I move that way, the lighting is not changing. So make sure you do that. So once you've done every other 7 things that I've mentioned, the next step is to edit your videos. If you want to know how I edit my videos, then subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video, because I am going to show you guys how I edit my videos on my next video upload. So in order for you to be updated is to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, so you'll be updated once I upload that video. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. That actually completes this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, because it will mean a lot to me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video, and thank you for stopping by. I love you all. Take good care of yourself, and bye.